One city, one building, many apartments, and many residents. Meet Stephanie and her daughters Mia and Hannah. Their shoe rack is outside the entrance to their flat, and next to it is Hannah's unicycle, the kind of things you can trip over. That is exactly what happens to their neighbor Tom. Tom has been potting new plants and puts the window box on his balcony. But he hasn't fixed it in place, so it falls and lands at Stephanie's feet. That was close. There are safety and security risks, both indoors and out. When cellars are unlocked and the doors to the building are left open, it makes life easy for burglars. It is better to lock cellar doors and keep the front doors closed. The smell from barbecues on balconies or in the yard may bother neighbors. And if something catches fire, it can quickly spread. There are open spaces in town where you can barbecue. Ball games in the yard can result in a broken window and injuries to neighbors from the broken glass. It is much better to play in the park or on designated football pitches. Living together works best when everyone follows the rules. If something has to be repaired, like a light in the stairwell or the kitchen window, the best thing to do is contact the caretaker. Escape routes must be clear, so there is nothing to trip over. And if there is a fire or a doctor is called, there must be completely free access. Window boxes must be behind the railing and securely attached. That way they stay safely in place. Thank you for taking care. Together, we can make a difference.